Do you want a fun summer project with the kids or grandkids? Check this out. If you have a little area patched in your yard like this, you can get a National Wildlife Certification garden plaque. You need to support native plants, provide seeds, food. We also get sap from these pine trees. You need to provide nesting boxes. You also need to provide a refuge, which I do here with this wood and these tall trees. You also need to protect the wildlife by not spraying for mosquitoes or weeds. The only thing I'm missing is some water source for them. So just head over to National Wildlife Federation on Google and you'll see what you need.